Okay, John Bailey here. Working on a zone system. We installed a RUD. We installed a RUD heat pump system here, and the zone board went out. We got Aprilaire model 6303. Okay, I don't know if you guys have installed one before, but when you install one of these zone boards, you got to make sure you have heat pump thermostats. I got a Honeywell T6 for zone 1, and I have a Honeywell T3 for zone 2. Okay, I was having a problem with this thing, and I went on and hooked up this new zone control with the existing T6 downstairs, and I changed the T3 upstairs. Kind of find out when I had it in the cooling mode, the actual heating LED came on, and when I had it in the in the cooling mode, it was the opposite. So kind of find out the sub base was bad on the T6. Those Honeywell T6 and T4 Pros, for some reason, they have bad, cheap sub bases. I hate those sub bases, but I just went on and swapped it out. Swapped out the T6, and now it's running fine. I switched this to cooling. It's running fine in the cooling mode. I switched both of them to heat. It's running fine in the heat mode. But come to find out, when you set these Aprilaires up and Honeywell zone boards up, you have to actually hook up your O from the O to the reversing valve from the thermostat, and you have to hook it up where you're gonna you only have O on your thermostat terminals here on the boards, and that's Honeywell and Aprilaire, but you got to switch it to B on the equipment side to get it to work. So when you're setting up your thermostats for these zone boards nowadays, you got to make sure it's on O for like a RUD or a ream. Everything else is O, but RUD and ream is the only one is B for the reversing valve. So you got to make sure it's on O on thermostats, and it's definitely going to be on O on your thermostat connections on your zone board, but you have to switch it to B on your equipment side to get it to work properly. All right, take care. Iceman signing out.